In 2026, the cost of living in the USA is rising faster than ever. Rent, groceries, electricity, and gas, everything is becoming more expensive. But here's the truth. You can survive and stay financially strong if you follow a smart budgeting plan. And today I'll share the exact steps that thousands of Americans are using. 1. Track every dollar. Before you budget, you must know where your money goes. Most people don't have a spending problem. They have a tracking problem. Write down every expense. Bills, food, transportation, subscriptions, small purchases. When you see your numbers clearly, you gain control. Tracking is the foundation of financial power. 2. Use the 50-30-20 rule. This rule works perfectly in 2026. 50% for needs, rent, groceries, utilities. 30% for wants, shopping, entertainment. 20% for savings, emergency fund, investments. If your rent is too high, adjust the percentages. But remember, your savings must never be zero. 3. Build a 3-month emergency fund. In 2026's unstable economy, an emergency fund is not optional. Keep at least 3 months of expenses saved. This protects you from job loss, medical bills, or unexpected problems. This one habit can save your life. 4. Cut hidden expenses, unnecessary subscriptions, random online shopping, fast food, extra data packages. These small expenses are silent killers. Cutting just 5 to 10 a day can save you $150–300 every month. Redirect that money to your savings. 5. Increase your income streams. Budgeting alone is not enough. You must increase your income. Try freelancing, side businesses, online work, selling unused items, investing small amounts. Even $100 extra per month makes your budget strong. 6. Finally, message. The cost of living will keep rising, but when your mindset changes, your life changes. Control your money, or your money will control you. Start budgeting today, because 2026 can be your year of financial strength if you take action now.